beautiful Nigeria.
It is quite impossible to talk about nature's gift to the southeast of Nigeria, Enugu State precisely, without mentioning the Awhum Waterfall. Although it is quite on the city's outskirts, some 24 kilometers away in Amaugwe village, this 30 meters high waterfall and the cave are something for the adventurous tourists. Though a Catholic monastery manages the site, there is no religious restriction into the place. The site's attraction is not merely its waterfall. There is a mind-blowing stretch of 300 meters long limestone wall. The towering limestone walls engulf the footpath that terminated between the wall, narrowing into different parts of the cave in which laid the twin cascades of Awhum Waterfalls. Thick forest canopies that cast a mild blanket of green tincture on the limestone walls cover a good part of the site, giving the enchanting milieu of an ambience of awe and wonder. Pictures are not allowed at the site, but the picturesque terrain is so tempting you barely know when you start clicking the shutter button on your camera. Just don't say we didn't warn you. Cameras are not allowed here.